This call is now
Started.
being recorded.
Fine, fine.
Started.
Thank you, beta. Okay. Let's one of you begin, beta. What is light? So we'll know what actually it is, what actual light is. Please start.
What is light? Light is electromagnetic radiation within a certain portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. The
Sir,
word
read
usually
properly. Sahil.
okay.
Is it
Light is
Sahil, beta? Yeah.
electromagnetic. Radiation
Electromagnetic spectrum. Read properly, please. Okay.
electromagnetic spectrum. The word
If you are stuck,
usually refers.
just a moment. Just a moment. If you are stuck, if you're not able to, you can ask me. But don't read wrong. Okay, beta?
Yeah.
Next.
Refers to visible light which is visible to the human eye and is responsible for the sense of sight.
So what is light? It is electromagnetic radiation. That it is suggesting that light is concerned or related to electricity as well as magnetism. Do you agree? Hello. Do you agree? It is related to electricity as well as magnetism. Do you agree or not?
Yes.
Okay, so it is a radiation. Now, from some spectrum which is coming from the sun rays, we are getting light. So it is an electromagnetic spectrum. From that, we are getting light. What it means? It is, see, until unless it gets reflected from our eye, we cannot see light. You agree or not? So anything which gets reflected can be seen or will be visible. If it does not get reflected, that means I am blind. You agree? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes.
So reflection is a must. What is must, beta? Hello? What is must?
Reflection.
Reflection is a must. That means if the light does not get reflected from my eye, I cannot see anything. I cannot see anything. Everything will be black. Do you understand? What I see, the color, I can see everything around me is due to the reflection which is happening in the eye. And what eye has got, beta? Eye has got lens. Do you understand? See. So what is light? Read better.
Light is a form of energy which emitted by a luminous
Luminous.
body and which, when included on eye
Incident. Beta,
cases,
incident. When I'm stopping you, please stop. Incident on the eye
incident on the eye
causes
causes the
sensation.
sun concentration
Sensation.
of a light.
Fine. Please mute your mic. So what is light? It is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy. From where it is coming out? From a body which is shining. What is meaning of luminous, beta? Bulb shining, stars shining, sun shining. These are called as luminous body which emits their own light. Is it clear? Is it
Yes.
clear? Which emits their own light. Okay. So it comes to the eye because the light is incident on the eye. It is falling on the eye. Agree?
Yes.
So we get the sensation of light, that is reflection, and we can see the object. Any problem? So
No.
this is the luminous body. See, this is glowing. So this is the luminous body. That is the bulb. Okay? Can you see
Yes.
this? So let's see what are the characteristics of light. Please start, Beta. Read, Beta.
Yes. Characteristics of light rays. Light is a form of energy which always travels with maximum velocity. Light travels in straight when
Line.
light when light
Light travels in a
form
straight line,
a
isn't it?
energy which always travels with maximum velocity. Light travels in straight. When light rays fall on smooth reflecting surface, angle of inclination is equal to angle of
Incidence.
reflection.
Hello, it is incidence.
Yes, incidence. Incidence is equal to angle of reflection.
I
Light,
told you not to rush. Didn't I tell you? Read properly. Didn't I
light
tell you, beta?
undergoes light undergoes the phenomenon of reflection. Reflection, total internal reflection, interference, dispersion,
Diffraction,
diffraction, and polarization. Light undergoes the phenomena of
scattering.
scattering discovered by C.V. Raman.
So who is this person? He is Nobel laureate C.V.
C.V.
Raman.
Raman.
Remember? He's a
Yes.
Nobel. He was a Nobel laureate. He got a Nobel Prize. Okay, fine. What is light? It is a form of energy. It's got high speed. It's got maximum velocity. It always moves in a straight line. That also you know, light travels in a straight line. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. When light falls on a smooth surface, light falls on a smooth surface, and then it gets reflected. Is it clear? And when you
Yes.
put a normal, which makes 90-degree to both the surface, what we find? This is angle of incidence and this is reflected ray. So this angle and this angle, they are same. So angle I is equal to angle R. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, light has got lots of phenomena to help. We will be only concerned with reflection. What are we concerned with? With a reflection. But light undergoes many phenomena as refraction, total internal reflection, interference, dispersion, diffraction, polarization, scattering, everything it can happen. But we are concerned only with reflection in this chapter. Is it clear?
Yes.
And who was the person who worked on
C.V.
scattering?
Raman.
The light scatterers. Light scatters. What is the meaning of scattering, beta? Do you know? Spectrum.
No.
The rainbow. Rainbow. The light scatters in 7 colors. That is rainbow. And C.V. Raman was the person who has shown the scattering of
Yes.
light. Okay, the white light becomes 7 colored lights. Is it clear? That is called as scattering.
Yes.
Yes.
Please read. Please read. This is light.
Light. Light is the main reason why we can see. Without light, there will be no sight. It because your our ability to see is due to the interaction between the light and brain and the eyes.
You understand how we can see?
Yes.
We can see the main reason is light. If there is no light, we cannot see. Agree? Can you see it
Yes.
dark? Can you see in the dark? If at the night time, if there is no light, it's absolutely pitch black. Can you see in the dark? No, we will fall. Isn't it? We fall. So if you imagine if the earth becomes dark, will you be able to see? No,
No.
there will be no sight. It is the ability to see is why. Why can we can see? Because there are certain things which is happening inside our body, inside our head. What is it? First, the light comes into eye, that is a lens. Then it goes to the brain. Yes, then it is registered that yes, the image is formed behind the eye. You understood now?
Yes.
So there's interaction between the light, the brain, and the eyes. You understand? All these three are working together. Then and then only we can say that yes, we saw this object. You understood? If any one of them, if the brain is not
Yes.
functioning, if the light is not present, and if my eyes are not functioning properly, I will not see anything. Is it clear?
Yes. Clear.
This is how our eye looks. Please see. Can you see this eye?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. I will just the covering of your eye is cornea. What it is called, beta?
Cornea.
Just hear me. You don't have to learn. Just hear me. This upper covering of your eye is called as cornea. Is this okay? Is
Yes.
this okay? Okay. And then you got those lines on your central portion of your eye. Can you see these lines?
Yes.
Brown lines, black lines,
Yes.
blue
Yes.
lines. Don't shout, beta. Gray lines.
Yes.
This is called as iris. What it is called as?
Iris.
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 Okay. And the black thing that you can see is this black thing. Can you see this? The black thing on top?
Yes.
Yes, the central one. That is called as pupil. What it is called, beta?
Pupil.
Pupil. Understood this
Pupil.
much? Yes. Understood this much or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Behind this, we have got
Yes.
lens. This is lens. Behind the pupil, we have got the lens. This is lens. Got it? This is important.
Yes.
Okay? Now, if I tell you, where is the image formed? Image is formed here, retina. This is the image. Whatever you see, the image is formed here. Is it clear?
Yes.
If the image forms, for example, if the image forms here, we have to use
We will see it.
spectacles.
Ulta
Yes, we have to use
दिखता है.
spectacles. Yes, ulta dikhta hai. If with the image forms here, again we have to use glasses. Understand? If
Yes.
it is not forming on retina and is forming away or outside the retina, before the retina, also the retina, what we have to use? Glasses.
Glasses.
Hope you have understood. Hello, all of you.
Glasses.
Have you understood? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood the making of our eyes? Any problem? Tell me.
Yes,
No
Any
problem.
problem? Okay.
no
Now from
problem.
here, just see. From here, where is it going to, beta?
Mind.
Brain. You cannot see mind, beta. You can see brain, please. Mind is thought process. You cannot
Yes.
see that. You can only feel it. But brain you can see. So it goes to brain. Is it clear?
Yes.
Boys, seventh standard. Tell
Yes.
me if you have any problem.
No.
So this is called as optic nerve. What is this called as, beta?
Take
This
now.
nerve is called as optic nerve. Okay? Which goes to the
Optic
brain.
nerve.
Now we talk about one phenomena, which is called as lateral inversion. Please
Lateral
continue.
inversion. For example, you are the object and what you see in mirror is your image. You are individual to your
Identical.
image.
Better read properly. I've been telling you, then
Identical
otherwise I
to
will
your
not ask
image.
you.
As
If you are
seen in
not
the mirror.
careful, just a moment, better. Listen to me properly. How many times did I stop you? What is in a hurry, better? Why do you rush? Read properly. You don't have to rush, better. But you are leading the class. You have to be very particular about it. Am I clear? Sahil, am I clear? Where did he go? Can you hear me better?
Ma'am is present but not my
Answering.
continuity.
Okay, fine. So ask him to continue. Sahil, continue better.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue, but don't do mistakes, please. Okay?
Identical to your image as seen in the mirror. In case of a plane mirror, the image formed is erect and same size as the object. But there is one difference. In your left hand in the image, it seems as if your left hand is moving. This is called lateral inversion, where
Left
left appears
appears
be
to be
right
right.
and
Right appears to be
right appears to be left.
left. Very good. Thank you. Now there was no mistake as such. Thank you, Vita. Now what is lateral inversion? Now it is you. Can you see over here? It is you. You are standing in front
Yes.
of the mirror. Is it clear, Vita? You are standing in front of mirror. Your height And the image height
Yes.
will be same. Is it same or is it different?
Different.
Different. You will look tall and you will look short in the image.
अगर अलग अलग मिरर होगा तो हो जाएगा.
I'm not talking about alag mirror. I'm talking about the mirror that you are watching every day. That
Yes,
you're seeing
same.
yourself every day. Say
Yes.
that. I'm asking a simple question and you should give me simple answer, beta. Okay? Thank you. But the only thing is that means your image is identical to the object. Yes, so you're the object, right? The image that you get is the same as the object. Agree?
Yes,
But only difference is if you raise your right hand, which hand does it look? Left hand in the mirror. Is it
yes,
clear?
in the left hand.
This is called as lateral inversion. What it is called?
Lateral
Lateral inversion.
inversion.
What is inversion? Inversion is opposite. So your right becomes left and your left becomes right. That's all. Any problem?
No.
All if you understood better, what is lateral inversion?
Yes.
Boys,
Yes.
yes. Any doubt? Call me or not call me.
No.
Any doubt? You can stop me. Okay? Any problem, better? Otherwise, it is
No.
identical. Otherwise, your image is identical. Okay? Fine. Now, what do you see? That light travels along. We'll do some activity to show that light travels along a straight line. Please start.
Yes, ma'am. Light travels along a straight line. Activity. Light a candle and fix it on a table. Take a piece of straight pipe or a rubber tube. Look at the candle through the pipe. Can you see the candle flame if the pipe is bent? You cannot see the candle flame. This shows that light travels along a straight line.
Okay, thank you, Vita. Now, you can see over here, this is a straight pipe. Yes, Vita? This is a straight pipe. What do you see? And you're watching from one end the candle. Can you see the candle?
Yes.
Yes, you can see the candle, right? And look at the other activity. Can you see the candle?
No.
No. Because
Light
the pipe
travels in a
is
straight line.
in a straight line. What it suggests that light always travels in a straight line. Any problem regarding this activity, beta?
No.
All of you?
Yes.
All of you understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now we are going to talk about reflection of light. It's a detailing that we are going to do. That is reflection of light. Please read.
Reflection. Reflection when a wave strikes on an object and bounces off. Reflection of light. Reflected light is a light that is bounced back from the surface of an object.
Fine. Now look over here. This is a reflecting surface. You agree?
Yes.
This is the reflecting surface, right? This is the reflecting surface. And the light is falling. The light is falling. Yes or no?
Yes.
Can you see this? This is the arrow. It is falling on the surface. It gets reflected. It gets reflected. Yes? So this is incident ray and this is reflected ray. All of you agree?
Yes.
All of you agree with that?
Yes. Ma'am, when we put laser light
I
on
can ask
mirror.
you. Yes, beta, I will ask you to do that
Yes.
also at home. Okay? Now this is incident ray. This is reflected ray. What I will do, I will make a line which is 90 degree to the surface, which is making 90 degree. That is called as normal. What it is called, beta? Normal is a
Normal.
line. Normal is a line which makes 90 degree to the surface. Any problem? Any problem?
No.
So this angle of incidence, the ray with the normal is I, and the ray with the normal, the reflected ray and the
Reflection.
normal is angle of reflection. So what we are going to find out that angle I is equal to angle R. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is the first law. This is the first law of light. What is first law of light, beta? Angle I is equal to angle R. And I've showed you all the terminologies. Let's begin once again. Incident ray falls onto the surface, gets reflected as a reflected ray. Agree? We draw a
Yes.
normal in the center which makes 90 degree to the surface. This is normal. The angle made by incident ray and the normal is called as angle of incidence. The angle made by reflected ray and the normal is angle of reflection. And what we observe? Angle
Yes.
I is equal to angle R. This is the
Angular.
first law. This is the first law of reflection. Any problem?
No.
Okay. Sahil, how many marks did you get in science? Sahil, I'm asking you, how many marks did you get in science? Are you there?
Ma'am, I got 20 after 20.
That's great. Who is it?
Sheikh Sufyan.
Sheikh Sufyan. So what made you get 20 or 20? I hope you understood. I don't have to ask you. Do I have to ask you why you got 20 or 20? Sufyan, Sufyan, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? So you got 20. Anyone else got 20 out of 20, beta? Besides Sufyan, anyone else got 20 out of 20, beta?
No.
And Mohammed?
Yes, ma'am.
Mohammed? Did you get 20 out of 20, beta? Who else got 19 and 20? Please WhatsApp me. Okay, send me the message. Whoever got 19 and 20 in your class, I will be very happy. Okay, let's continue with her.
Ma'am, I get
Yes, who is it?
Abdul Samad Solanki.
How much you got, beta?
15.
Good. I'm happy, beta. Samat, you will also get 20 next time. FA4. Keep it up and please see, is it helping you being present in the class, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Why
Now
don't you do that?
present.
Every day you will be present now. Okay? And
Yes.
promise me that you will get 20 out of 20. I'm happy. I'm very
Yes.
happy. Okay, I'm very happy about all of you. I think you people have improved your result. Don't you think so?
Yes. Yes. Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you have improved. I think this one, Sahil. I think I'm a bit disappointed about Sahil. I remember what Sahil has got. He's not giving me the answer, but I will talk to Sahil later. Sahil can get more than 20. That is his capacity. But maybe due to certain, maybe overconfidence or whatever, he's not able to do well. Am I right, Bita? Sahil? Sahil? Sahil, can you hear me, Bita? Is he there?
Ma'am, he is present.
He's there. He's not answering me. So fine, if you can hear me, Bita, what I need to say is, don't be hasty. Don't be in a hurry to submit the paper, Bita. Revise properly, go through it, check, and then submit it. So that whatever marks you have lost will not happen again.
Ma'am,
Is it clear?
final exam. Ma'am,
Yes, not
फाइनल एग्जाम इस बार स्कूल में
separate,
देना
beta.
कि
No, beta. No. It is online only. It is
तो
all online, so
फाइनल
don't worry about it. Right now, our final is the first
Ma'am,
week
कोई
of
भी
Feb.
ma'am, any exam don't give in the school.
No, no, you have to be on online. The exam, this FA4 exam is online. So right now you prepare for FA4. Let's not think about
On
SA2. It's clear?
final
Essay
exam
Yes,
2.
is
beta?
supplementary.
That we will let you know. Beta, we will let you know. So don't worry about all those things. Right now you have to worry about the first week of Feb. Is it clear?
मैम
Is it
ऐसे
clear?
टू एग्जाम ऑन स्कूल home.
फाइनल एग्जाम स्कूल में होगी ना?
I told you, no, we will let you know. Why are you hurrying? Why are you tensed up? Leave it. Right now you have to be working on FA4 and that's it. Don't think about SA2. Is it clear? Boys, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. So can we have this? Can I have someone to read this slide, beta? Please make it fast, beta. I've got 10 minutes to wind up.
Ma'am, can I read
Yes. Give your name.
the ratio? Okay. The ratio of the amount of light reflected by a surface to the amount of light falling on it is called reflectance of the surface and is usually expressed as a percentage.
Read.
Polished metals will have a higher percentage of reflectance than wood. Some smooth glass will reflect more light than rough glass. The more perpendicular the angle of the light, the less the reflectance.
What is the reflectance? How much light is being reflected is called as reflectance. It is measured in percentage. Just now what you saw, a polished surface will reflect more than a rough surface. Agree?
Yes,
Yes. So polished surface will have more reflectance than the rough surface, right? Now let's see the line. Now if my incident ray is slant, the reflectance will be more. Yes or no? If I make it perpendicular, the reflectance will not be more. It will be this much. Yes or no? It will go back. So when it becomes more perpendicular, for example, if it is like this, reflectance. If it is like this, the reflectance becomes like this. If it's like this, then this. Is it clear? So reflectance becomes less as we come towards perpendicular line. Is it clear? That is what is saying. The more perpendicular the angle of the light, the less will be the reflectance. Have you understood?
yes,
Have you understood, beta?
yes.
Yes? Okay. Now you see rays of light. How the rays of light are formed. Please start. Now we will come aware, we will come to know lots about the terminologies that we are going to use in ray diagrams. Let's start. Let's start.
Rays of light. Incident ray leaves the object and strikes the mirror.
Second,
Reflected ray leaves mirror and strikes your eye.
third,
The reflected ray is on the line of sight from the image to your eye.
fine. The first thing that you have read is incident ray. So this is the object. For example, this is the object. Can you see this object? This is the object. So it is falling on the surface. So what is this called as? Agree?
Yes,
Hello? Yes, so it is falling on the surface. It is getting reflected. And where it is received by the eye. Yes or no? I can see now. The reflection I can see in my eye. Yes or no?
yes,
Hello? Yes. So it is called as reflected ray. Agree?
yes.
What I will do? I will put it in the back. This object and the image is falling on one line. Can you see that? I can see the image over here. Any problem?
No,
This is how we can see the image. So what is reflected ray and the image of your eye? See, can you see this? The reflected ray and the image is on the straight line. Can you see the straight line, beta? This is
Yes.
reflected ray. And this is the image is in the straight line. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you observe this? Okay. Let's see the law of reflection once again. Please read.
Law of reflection. Number one, the
Incident.
the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal to the reflecting surface lie on the same plane.
This is the second law of reflection. What is the first law of reflection, beta? Angle I is equal to angle R. That was the first law, right? This is the second law. This is the second law of reflection. Let's see what it is. This is the mirror surface. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal all lie on the same plane. Agree?
Yes.
All of you, beta? I'm getting only one yes. Why not 19 yeses? Others are not participating, beta? Hello? Hello,
Ma'am,
boys.
12 students are there.
Only 12 doesn't matter, doesn't matter. Okay, they have left. I don't know why are they doing so. There's going to be a problem then. Okay. Now we're just going to work out. This is incident ray. The center one is normal and the third one is reflected ray. So red one is incident, blue one is normal, and the green one is reflected ray. Right? Agree, beta?
Yes.
Fine. Now look over here. It falls over here. The incident ray falls over here and it gets reflected here. Okay, and this normal is making 90 degree. What is this? 90 degree. So it is perpendicular. You know it, I think so. Now we'll see this angle, which is made by incident ray and a normal, that is angle I, and the normal and the reflected ray is angle R. Both are equal. So angle I is equal to angle R. I hope you understood. So we've got two laws.
Yes.
Angle I is equal to angle R is one law. Second law is incident ray, normal, and the reflected ray lie on the same plane. Understood? There are two laws of reflection. Any problem?
No.
Again, the revision part. Please, if you want to explain, you can explain better. Start.
I read.
Law of reflection.
Yes, you can better.
Okay, ma'am. Law of reflection. Normal line. Perpendicular to the mirror surface.
Then
Angle of inclined angle between
incidence.
incidence. What, ma'am?
Incidence.
Incidence angle between incident ray and normal. Angle of reflection. Angle between reflected ray and normal.
So what is, these are all terminologies. What is normal? What is normal?
Normal is I is equal to R.
Wrong, wrong. Normal is line perpendicular to the surface.
Yes.
What is line perpendicular? Normal is
Line
line perpendicular.
perpendicular to the surface. Both sides
90 degree. Okay? This much have you understood? Okay. This is normal. Then we come to angle of incidence. What is angle of incidence? Theta 1. What is angle of incidence? Theta 1. How it is made? Between the incident ray and the normal. Is it clear? Between the incident ray and the normal. This is the angle of incidence. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now we come to angle of reflection. Angle of reflection is between the reflected ray and the normal. Yes or no? That is theta 1. Theta 2 it should be. Yes or no? This no. Any problem? Any problem? So this is
No, ma'am.
angle I and this is angle R. Understood? Understood better? Okay, this was type of a revision. Again, the laws of reflection complete. Please read. Please read better. Hello.
Yes,
I said
ma'am.
please read. Please read, I said.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
I said please read.
Okay, ma'am. Laws of reflection. In this
Incident ray.
incident ray, the light ray fall on a surface is called the incident ray. Reflected ray, the light ray that comes back after reflection is called the reflection ray. Normal ray, the line perpendicular to the reflecting surface is called the normal ray.
Any problem regarding these three rays?
Oh.
No.
All of you understood? It's just a revision
मैम
part.
इससे
Yes.
पहले की जो स्लाइड थी उसमें मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
Which one?
इससे पहले जो स्लाइड थी ना उसमें समझ में नहीं आया.
This one?
Yes.
What you did not understand?
ये 0 1 क्या है?
It is angle, beta.
एंगल.
This is angle, huh? This
यस आया.
angle is equal to this angle. So
मैम फिर
angle,
से समझा दो ना एक बार.
this is angle I, this is angle R. So don't take theta 1, take angle I, angle R. I can write that?
Yes.
So understand this one. Don't take this. Remove it. Now you take angle I, angle R. Is it okay? Is it okay? If I
Yes.
take it as angle I, angle R. That's all. That's all you have to understand. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll talk about angle of incidence. Please read.
Angle of inclined edge. The angle
Incidence,
between
Papa.
the incident. What, ma'am?
It is incidence.
Yes. Angle of incidence. The angle between the incident ray and the normal ray is called the angle of
The angle of
incidence. Angle of reflection. The angle between the reflected ray and the normal ray is called the angle of reflection.
any problem? See this
No.
one. Can you see this? Any problem you have? I'm just going to explain
No.
you. This is incident ray. Don't make any sound, beta. Who is it? Who is making a sound? Mute your mic, please. Except the one who is reading. Thank you. This is incident ray. All of you agree, beta? This is the surface, right? This is the normal, which is perpendicular. And it's getting reflected. There's reflected ray. Any problem? Tell me.
No.
The angle which you have with the incident ray and the normal is called as angle of incidence. What it is? Angle I. Is it clear?
Yes.
Normal